Greetings and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how to adjust the stylus pressure or the tracking force of your BSR C-142 record changer. Now place this one in the armrest and it must be locked. About the counterweight, you can adjust this one by turning this clockwise. The counterweight move left side. If I turn the knob counter clockwise, the counterweight moves right side. There. That's how to adjust this counterweight. Before we adjust the tone arm parallel to the platter 180 degrees, make sure to turn this knob clockwise all the way up to the last turn. 0. There. You can't turn this one anymore. And this is the dial pointer here, the straight line. So it means 0, 1, 2, 3, up to number 6. So I'm going to turn this all the way there. Before we get the 180 degrees, set your anti-skating to number 2. Since my record changer, the numbers here are 2, 4, and 6. So I set this to number 2. If it has a 0 number, if your record changer has a 0 number, then set it to 0, anti-skating. And by the way, I never use anti-skating if I'm using a record changer. I will set always to 0 or number 2. Now to get the 180 degrees, this is what I mean. I'm going to pull this out, then check this one. It is floating without any obstacle. This is free floating there, up and down. Tone arm doesn't touch this one here, the armrest. And what I mean by 180 degrees is this one. This is parallel to the plane of the platter or this rubber mat. If your tone arm sets like this, then this is not parallel to the platter. Like this is not parallel to the platter. So I'm going to adjust this one floating freely to 180 degrees. So I'm going to turn this one. This is trial and error. Now check my tone arm. The part here is parallel to the platter. That's what I mean by 180 degrees parallel to the platter. And this is floating. There. Now that we set the 180 degrees, I'm going to set this one. And by the way, I'm using here Pickering V15 and the tracking force, required tracking force, 2 grams up to 5 grams. Since I'm using a record changer, I want to set my turntable to 4 grams. Now I'm going to turn this one counterclockwise. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 grams. Now let's double check my 4 grams. This is manually adjusted tracking force. Let's compare to a digital. So this is 4 grams. My reading here is 3.8 grams. So not bad at all. It is in the range of 4 grams. Now let's check our 3 grams. I have 3.1. So it depends how you turn this one, but you can manually or fine-tune this one a little until you get your desired setting. But in this case, I just eyeball the dial pointer to the number. This is 2 grams and in the digital 2.2. Now I will turn this one back to 4 grams. Now I have 4.09 or 4.08 grams. That's all how to adjust your BSR C-142 turntable. Hope this video helps and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.